guys, welcome back. It's your favorite giraffe, Alfie, and today we're going to the bank. And today we're going to deposit cash.
Yahoo!
When you deposit cash into your account, it is available right away.
Woo!
Compared to depositing checks, if you deposit checks, then they are placed on a hold. You can deposit $5 bills, $10 bills, $50 bills, even $100 bills.
Ooh.
You can deposit cash at the ATM.
Smoke bomb!
You can deposit cash at the bank.
Another one.
Now let's go to the bank and deposit our cash. Hi, Leo. It's great to see you again. What's going on?
Alfie, my best friend. What can I do for you?
I want to deposit this cash.
Of course. And good news. It's going to be available right away.
But remember, if you always want cash immediately, deposit cash. But never deposit counterfeit money. Counterfeit money is not real cash.
What?
And if you deposit counterfeit cash, then the cops will come after you. Cash is great and can be used for many things. So, deposit it.
Woo!
Go to the bank with your mom and dad and deposit cash.
Woo!
Wow, what an adventure that we had today. Today, we deposit cash at the bank.
Okay, let's go, baby!
If you want to learn more about the bank, subscribe to our channel and tell us in the comments what animal you would like to see next. Now go watch our next video on making a deposit in the bank. Let's go, guys!
Ay, tú sabes, mami. Ja, vamos para allá, vamos para allá. No quiero más problemas, quiero más